Welcome everyone. In this video today, I want to show you the easiest and most effective way to determine your CRT direction bias, how to determine your daily bias, and how to select the right CRT candle to trade. One of the mistakes a lot of CRT traders make is that they always pick the wrong candle, especially if you are trading candle 2 CRT. This video majorly I want to show you how you can select the right candle and how you can determine your daily bias for those who are trading candle 2 only. This video is majorly for those who are trading candle 2. It works for candle 3, however it's majorly for those who are trading candle 2. Right now, I am a day trader, so this video is majorly for day trader as well. If you are trading the 4-hour CRT, you are to look for your directional bias on the daily time frame. You are to look for your daily bias on the daily time frame. I will explain so you understand, right? So the easiest way to know the direction for that day is to look for it on the daily time frame. That is, if you are trading the 4-hour CRT, right? Now, as you can see, this is the daily time frame. We can see price gets to this Malaysia resistance and it begins to retrace back. So this already is a major resistance here that you can see, which is a key level that price reacted to and start pushing down, right? So this is also a confluence. However, that is not where I'm going to. Right now, how do you determine your daily bias for the day? How do you choose the right candle for the day to trade? The first thing you want to mark out is to go to your daily time frame and look at the 2 previous days before the day you want to trade. Right, let's say for instance today is Thursday. You look at on Wednesday candle and on Tuesday candle, how do they behave? What you want to focus on is that the Wednesday candle, did it break the Tuesday candle? If the Wednesday candle break the Tuesday candle, it means on Thursday you are to be looking for a continuation. That already tells you that on Thursday you are to look for a bearish CRT. As you can see, you are to look for a bearish CRT on the 4-hour, not on the daily time frame. As you can see in this diagram, price reacted at this resistance and begin to retrace down. Please, we are CRT trader. The effective way to get your daily bias is to focus on candles, not zones. Zones is for you to get your major key levels. This is where many of us make the mistake. You use zones to pick your key levels for candle. Your major zones zones are meant to pick major key levels, while you use candles to look for your minor key levels that will tell you the direction for that day. So specifically for that day, to help you know that okay, this day I am bearish, this day I am bullish, right? So don't use zones. As you can see, these zones here, I use it as a major key levels to tell me that okay, the price is bearish for that zones. So on a specific day, what am I looking for? I am looking for a bearish CRT based on what the previous candle did. As you can see, this place that I marked in this candle, you discover that this second candle break the first candle. That tells me that we are looking for a bearish continuation CRT on the 4 hours. Are you getting it? So all I will do now is to go to the 4-hour and look for a bearish CRT candle. I will show you how to select the right candle now. So I want you to take note of this. I want to say that again. All you need to do is to look at the 2 previous daily candle and look at how they react. if the previous candle break below or above the first candle, you know you are looking for a bearish continuation. If it break below, you are looking for a bearish continuation. If it break above, you are looking for a bullish continuation. As you can see in this diagram, market break below, so we are looking for a bearish continuation, right? On the daily time frame, please pay attention to that. On the daily time frame, now if the market sweep below like this, which is a CRT formation on the daily time frame, do not bother to go to the 4-hour to look for a bullish CRT. All you need to do is to go to the 1 hour and look for your entry. As you can see, this is already a CRT formation, so there is no need for you to go to 4-hour to look for a bullish continuation. It is best for you to go to the 1 hour to look for your entry. So this is to trade a continuation on a 4-hour. This already is a CRT formation, which is a reversal. You don't need to look for a continuation on 4-hour. Go to 1 hour and look for your entry. So I want us to get that clear. We should know that clear. It will be easy for us. Now all you need to do, if you see this formation on the daily time frame, if you look at the previous candle break above the first candle, now what you need to do is to go to 4-hour and look for a continuation. If you break above, you look for a bullish continuation. If you break below, you look for a bearish continuation. Do we get that? So let's move to the 4-hour. Now as you can see, this is the 4-hour, right? All we are looking for now is a bearish CRT. So how do you select the right CRT? Now pay attention to this. This is where you need to pay attention to. What you need to do is to mark the last 4-hour candle that form the high of that day. That candle is your Asia range, right? And most of times that candle is 4 p.m. 4-hour candle, 4 p.m. 4-hour candle. If you are trading Forex, 4 p.m. 4-hour candle. Sorry, 9 p.m. 4-hour candle, 9 p.m. 4-hour candle. Most at times you want to look for the last 4-hour candle that form the high of that day, since it's a bearish continuation. If it's a bullish continuation, you want to look for the last 4-hour candle that form the low for that day. As you can see, this candle is what formed the high of the previous day. Are you getting it? So all we're going to look for is for a new 4-hour candle to form and stab into that hold high of that 4-hour, and we look for a continuation down. Do we understand? Now as you can see, we have a key level that support the CRT high, which is this FVG that we can see here. This FVG also supports the CRT candle. So I want to say it again. If you have determined that you are bearish for that day, all you need to do is to go to your 4-hour and you will look for the last 4-hour candle that created the high for that day, because market always go and take out Asia high or Asia low before it continues. It always go to take previous high and previous low before it continue. So you will look for the 4-hour candle that form the high for that day. Most of the times it is the 9 p.m. candle, right? It is the 9 p.m. candle. As you can see, market come, but in this case this is the 9 a.m. candle that form the high. Market come and stab into the high, the hold high, and it will trace back with an FVG, which is our key level. So all you need to do, once you get your formation, you move to your 15 minutes to look for your entry. Now if you have not watched my previous video where I teach on model 1 entry, you should go and watch that video so you understand model 1 entry. But if you already understand model 1 entry, all you want to be looking for now is your model 1 entry formation on the 15 minutes. Now take attention to this, pay attention to this rather. Your model 1 entry is valid for two reasons. Number one, the time it formed. Number two, the candle that close below it. The candle that close below it must engulf it. As you can see in this case, this model 1 entry, the last candle that swept the CRT formed at 3:15. Watch my model 1 entry to get the time, the formation time. It formed at 3:15, which is a valid time, and you can see the previous candle close above it. The third candle, the second candle did not close above it, below it. The third candle closed below it, so that make it a valid setup. So when you see this formation, all you need to do now is to take your entry. As you can see in this diagram, you have to take your entry on the next candle, right? I hope you find value in this video. God bless you. Please